In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print checks in Zoho Books. This process is straightforward, but it does involve several steps, and paying attention to each will ensure a smooth experience. So let's dive in. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the Purchases section of Zoho Books. To do this, locate the left sidebar on your screen. It's typically on the left-hand side of the page, and is your navigation hub for all things in Zoho Books. Click on the Purchases option. This action brings you directly to where you need to be in the interface to start handling payments you've made. Now that you're in the Purchases section, the next task is to select Payments Made. You'll find this option within the Purchases area, so go ahead and click on it. This shows you a list of payments that have already been recorded. Being in the Payments Made section allows you to manage the payments efficiently, including printing checks. To record a new payment, look for the plus New button. This button is your gateway to adding new entries, and it's usually easy to spot at the top of the page. By clicking on it, you open the form where you can enter new payment details. From the drop-down menu, choose the option to pay via check. This ensures the payment is specifically tailored for check processing. With the payment method set, it's time to enter the details of the payment. Start with the amount. In the amount field, enter the exact sum you need to pay. Make sure to double-check figures to avoid errors. Next up is the payment date. Select the appropriate date on which you are making the payment. This could be today's date or a future date, depending on your needs. Now, for the bank account field, choose the bank account you're using to make the payment. It's crucial to select the correct account, as this is where the funds will be drawn from. Once all the payment details are in place, you're ready to save and print the check. To print immediately, click on the Save and Print Now option. This generates the check for you to print right away. However, if you wish to print at a later time, choose Save and Print Later. This flexibility allows you to schedule your printing as needed. After you've printed the check, you'll notice that the payment status will change. Originally, it's marked as To Be Printed, but once the check is printed, the status updates to Uncleared. This indicates that the check has been issued but is not yet cleared by the bank. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage and print checks in Zoho Books, helping to streamline your payment processes.